Rarible is now going to be on Coinbase Pro. Thank you for following Crypto Millionaire Academy. Today's video will be about Badger DAO and Rarible. Rarible is launching on Coinbase Pro today. We're going to do a price prediction and an overview of what the token is. It is up by 43%. Rarible is up by 43% since it's been announced that it's going to be on Coinbase Pro. That's normally what happens sometimes with a Coinbase announcement. The market cap right now is $132 million. The volume is up 141% to $33 million. Circulating supply is 5 million tokens. The total supply is 25 million tokens. Could this pump? Could we see a pump with this token? We're already seeing a 43% gain. So what is Rarible and where are we going from here? I'm going to do a price prediction as well. The all-time high is $46.55. That was 6 months ago. So where are we going to go from here? So Rarible is a creator-centric NFT marketplace, an issuance platform that utilizes the Rari token to empower users to actively interact with the protocol. Users on the Rarible platform can easily create non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, for unique digital items like artwork, game items, and more. The platform offers users a fully featured marketplace that is filtered and sorted using different categories to create a smooth and easy user experience. Anyone can create and post NFTs on the Rarible marketplace. The Rari token is a fundamental pillar of the platform, as it is used to reward active users and for participating in the governance of the profile. So that is what it is. It is a marketplace for digital collectibles and art through blockchain technology. The platform is used to create or mint NFTs with an extremely simple process that makes it accessible to those with little or no experience with NFTs. This allows artists and creators to create and sell their digital products with zero barriers to entry while still benefiting from the security enabled by blockchain technology. The Rarible platform and protocol is an autonomous ecosystem that is governed by the Rari holders who are tasked with voting on governance proposals. In time, Rarible intends to transition to a fully decentralized autonomous organization structure. The entire NFT ecosystem is still fairly new, but Rarible is already aiming to use part of their revenue to subsidize the first mint transaction for users, in addition to other business strategies to fuel the growth of the platform. Rarible's protocol is a solution to the limitations faced by the intellectual property market, such as challenging license and paperwork requirements. NFTs instead represent an easily accessible alternative available to anyone with just a few clicks. Okay, so that's pretty big. What I would say with Rarible is, this is the website. You can explore here. These are the top NFTs out there. These things like, look at this Mechaverse, $116 million, Mutant Cats, $22 million, Art Blocks, $19 million, Bored Ape Yacht Club, $17 million. So, there's just these collections out here that are really making a lot of money. Hot bids, people are bidding for 25 ETH on these artworks. It is amazing, that these artworks are selling for such high amounts. These unique pieces of art, these unique intellectual property. There's just a lot of money going on out there right now. This money is allowing people to go out there and buy these NFTs. Which are very rare, but there's just a lot of money out there. So Rarible, what makes Rarible interesting to me as well, it was invested in by Coinbase Ventures. You can see here. Oh, let me just tell you where you can get it besides Coinbase Pro. You can get it on Gate.io, Uniswap, Kraken, SushiSwap, Crypto.com exchange, that's Rarible. And now it's going to be on the Coinbase exchange as well, because it's a part of the Coinbase Ventures portfolio is Rarible. So Rarible, what is a price prediction for it, right? So you can also, by holding Rarible, you get rewards. So a proportion of the 41,250 Rari are distributed every week. 50% for buyers and 50% for sellers. 15% Rari for verified users, and minus 50 for NFTs not created on Rarible.com. So really cool stuff. You gotta click on that to get an idea of how it works. I'm not gonna go there now. I'm going to focus on the price prediction, and it's up 47% in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to focus on that. They have over 229,000 followers on Twitter, which is just awesome. When you think about, you have that many people following you, that many people interested in what you're doing, it shows that it has a lot of potential, right? So yeah, so really cool what they're doing at Rarible, and they're going to shine. It's an NFT market, and NFTs are continuously to grow. So they're going to keep shining. You had a celebrity, Susan Sarandon, that made my first NFT for a good cause. Coco NFT is helping me auction off this piece of digital art to support environmental crusader Steven Dogsinger. All of the proceeds from the auction goes towards his exoneration. Read more of his story and bid right here. So, you auction something off to get proceeds to help them. Let's get into the price predictions. So by the end of 2021, now remember, take these price predictions with a grain of salt. By the end of 2021, Rarible is predicted to go to $39.59. By the end of 2022, $47.16. By the end of 2023, $54.43. By the end of 24, $64.97. By the end of 2025, $76.48. So I think it's going to go back to the all-time high price, and that's just how price has memory. So the all-time high is $46.55. I think we hit $50 by the end of the year. That's my price prediction. I think we hit $50 by the end of the year. Because I think the Coinbase exchange and Coinbase Pro is going to give Rarible a lot more liquidity. It also has a small market cap of $131 million. I think it can go a lot higher. And I think NFTs are hot right now, so I think this project could definitely go a lot higher. And that's what I'm expecting in the next few days. So Rarible, that's my price prediction. If you're not a member of our group, go to cryptomillion.co right now. Cryptomillion.co. This is what it looks like. Put in your email, your card number, sign up for our group. Get the winning results that we've had in July. Get those results here, and be a part of our group. And you'll get those winning signals. You'll make profit, and you'll do well trading crypto. We give you entry and exit points, and we give you profit. All right, guys. Thank you for following our channel. Thank you for following Crypto Millionaire Academy. Signing off. Signing off at now. God bless America. Be good to each other. Take care of one another, and don't forget to sign up for cryptomillion.co. And join there now. Go to cryptomillion.co, not .com, .co, cryptomillion.co. Alright guys, thank you for following the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Thank you guys.